Today I'm going to share with you my home cold remedy. This is Tanzila. Welcome back to my channel. So what should you do if you have any symptoms of cold? Mild cold or not so mild? And I personally haven't had any cold for many years, but just recently my mom didn't feel too good. So this recipe I told her to make, and today she feels great. So let's make it together. I will use lemon, honey and chamomile. And the first step, we will make a tea, chamomile tea. I will use 4 tablespoons of chamomile, so 4 spoons of chamomile for a liter of water, hot water. Close. Now we are ready for the second step. So second step is to prepare our lemon. So just make sure that it's very clean, you washed it very well, and use, if possible, ecological or organic. And the tip here is to a little bit roll your lemon so it's a little bit releases the juices, lemon juice. And then we can peel it. Cut off this part, don't want it. Just take a cup and peel it nicely in your cup. So this peel we will use later when we will be making our tea. And let's use another cup to cut up the lemon. So we just cut the lemon into smaller pieces. Next step is to use honey. And the best honey to use here is a liquid honey like acacia. But for some reasons our health store doesn't have acacia, so I'm using this honey. And what we need to do is to mix it into lemon like this. And to help a little bit, I will add a little bit tea. Can add a little bit more honey. It's easier to work it in when it's liquid honey, but right now it's okay like this. Also, it's the best honey that actually we have here in Norway. And actually our recipe is ready. We can leave it like this for now and make our tea. Let's add chamomile tea. Okay, so it's ready. So I will show you how I use it. So what I do is just take lemon and honey and just eat it like this. It's very strong. And just drink a little bit of chamomile tea next to it. So mostly the idea is to eat honey and lemon, pure honey and lemon, but you can help with the chamomile tea. It's very strong lemon. So One more step that you can do, like take to another level, is to add magnesium into our tea. Just a spoon of magnesium. It will help. So this is for our tea, and for our lemon and honey, we will add some cayenne and a few drops of echinacea. Okay, so now it's a little bit stronger, even stronger tea. So let's try it. So this is my home cold remedy. If you have mild symptoms, it's enough to have just one lemon before you're going to sleep. So you drink it and you go to sleep, or you have it in your bed, so it keeps you warm. But if it's a little bit more serious and you feel sick, then make one in the morning, one at noon, and one in the evening, and just continue to make it until you feel better. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!